Welcome to the world of auto-grading quizzes, where technology has allowed educators to streamline the grading process and provide instant feedback to students. This is an auto-grading geography quiz created by Online Exam Maker. The exam organizer can insert photos and videos into the quiz. The software will calculate the score automatically after a student submits the quiz. This video will show you how to create an auto-grading quiz online. You can search Online Exam Maker on google.com, then go to onlineexammaker.com. The very first step in making a quiz in Online Exam Maker is to sign up for a new account. After you log into Online Exam Maker dashboard, you will see a navigation bar on the left of the dashboard. You can manage exams, questions, training courses, and students in one place. In Online Exam Maker, you can upload or import your currently made questions in an Excel or Word document to the question bank. You can click the Select File button to upload your questions in Word or Excel format. You can preview the questions in the question bank when the upload process is complete. Click the exams and select the exam list on the sidebar. You can press the New Exam button to create your online exam. Once you have created a new exam, fill in the information about the exam, including the title of the exam and its category. To insert the questions, just click the Add Questions button. From there, you can select the question or the category folder to be used in the exam. You can modify the score of each question in this step too. Click the Save and Next button, then from there, you will now be able to customize the settings of the exam. You can select any settings from this section to add to your exam. If you want, you can set the exam settings, such as the duration of the exam and whether students can retake the exam. After reviewing the quiz and making necessary adjustments, you can now publish the exam, share it with your students, and wait for them to answer the quiz. Analyze results. After candidates completed the test, Online Exam Maker will calculate the exam score and generate insightful reports automatically. Head to Question Bank and then Question List in the sidebar. You will see the exam taken number in the top right corner of the exam table. After clicking the number, you can view the exam taken records of candidates. You can view statistical exam reports by clicking Statistics. In this section, you can view detailed reports about your exam in different aspects, including scores, questions, pass rates, form information, and more.